So now it's time to get organized. All these different columns are going to be our info objects. So we'll be bringing these into BW. So we'll be creating each of these info objects one by one and then structure them so they can actually take in these particular values. But before we get into that, we first need to create an info area. Let's move from the info provider screen over to the info objects and take a look at the various info areas that are currently in our system. As we toggle to info objects, the same exact info areas are here as well. It's just filtering out the different objects that aren't info objects. So because we're starting from square one, let's right click on info objects up top and create an info area. And we'll call this ZBW 310 underscore brew. And that's our technical name, so we can't have any spaces in there or dashes. And we'll call our description BW 310 brewery. And this is immediately going to tell someone that all the objects that belong to this particular project are related to the brewery data. And if multiple users in your company are taking part in this training, just make sure to increment the info area tech name to something like 05, just so you know, or 06 if it's already taken, just so you can keep uniquely developing your objects. So because I am the first user taking this training, I'm going to use 00. So now that we have our brand new info area created, let's go ahead and move on to the next exercise where we'll be creating info object catalogs.